today we
we
are
are
making a video.
making a video.
What are we gonna do? We're gonna make, look at the camera and tell them, we're making cookies.
We're making cookies.
Yay! Are you excited?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so please subscribe to our channel and like this video if you like it.
Bye.
Alright, I know you guys can't see what we're doing. I bought this baking set at Target. And it brings the cutest little cookie cutters and the roller. We have some vanilla frosting and some rainbow sprinkles. We already preheated the oven. And which one do you want to do?
I want to do...
Alright. So I'm going to use some cookie sheets. Right? We're going to use this. We're going to make cookies for Daddy and for Mommy. This is horrible. Alright, let's see. It looks like this. Those are cookie cutters. Okay guys, I hope you don't mind this angle. Our kitchen is not the biggest and not the best setup. So Livy, Mommy's gonna cut this. I'm gonna cut like this much so we can roll that piece. And let me see if I can roll it. Oh.
What happened?
I can't.
You did it?
Uh-oh.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light. While you roam in the streets all alone, and all you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. Another day, like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light. like the mothers of Brazil find their way. We're all on our own, but you're the most beautiful I've ever known. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night, and you can't put up a fight in the misty light.